Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essential. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to glide in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games Launcher. And once you've launched the game, go to a mountain or a cliff or on top of a building and just jump first and then press space to glide, like so. Keep in mind that if you press space once again, it'll stop gliding. You can press space again to glide again, like so. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!